Hi guys, here's how to set an alert on TradingView. So the first step is to click right here by the left, the alarm clock icon. So once you set and you click on this alarm, you can set an alert by selecting specific criteria that specify when you want TradingView to send you an alert. So right here you click on create an alert, and then you have the option to impute certain criteria or values. Okay, so once you click on set an alert, so right here it says condition. Okay, so the condition in this instance could be anything that you have on your chart. So right now I have just two things on my chart. The first is the euro USD chart, and the second is the moving average, as you can see right here. Okay, so you can select anything you have. In this instance I'll choose euro USD. Okay, then you choose the criteria right here. Do you want to receive an alert when it's crossing upwards, downwards, when it's greater than a specific value, when it's less than a specific value, when it's entering a channel, outside a channel, moving up or down, so you can just choose the specific criteria. However, if you want to choose a specific price, you can, you know input the price right here. So let's say, for example, I want to receive an alert when euro USD crosses 1.05. Okay, so I'll just type that here. So euro USD crossing 1.0500. Okay, so options, do you want the alert once or every time? You can choose once or every time. And then the expiration date, that's when you want to stop receiving the alert. You can input any date right here. And so right here it says alert options. Do you want to be notified on the app? Do you want to be shown a pop-up? Do you want to be shown a pop-up? Do you want to receive an email or a webhook URL? There are different ways. Do you want to sound? What kind of sound do you want? How many times do you want to sound? So you can edit all of that. And then right here, you have a message that explains the alert, which in this instance is Euro USD crossing 1.05. Okay. So once you've input all of the criteria, just click on create, and then your alert will be created. And once euro USD crosses 1.05, you can see this yellow line right here. It's showing where the alert is. So once your euro USD crosses 1.05, you'll be alerted right here. You can delete the alert right here by clicking on remove. You can stop it by clicking here, and you can edit it by clicking here. Okay, so this is very easy to use, and you can set multiple alerts and get multiple notifications on different assets. Okay, so if you got some value from this video, click on like and subscribe, and I'll see you in